if he shows up. So the house is currently used as a storage facility for medical records, but of course will be cleaned out prior to closing. Definitely has some sagging in the floors due to the weight of all the boxes. House is currently set up as a duplex, although 1 meter, but could easily be turned back into a single family. This being one of the bedrooms here that we're kind of walking out of now. I'd turn this into probably a big living area where you could even put the master suite back here. The kitchen you saw at the beginning, I would definitely take out.
Hey.
As you have the bigger one in back.
Nice to meet you.
Good seeing you.
And so coming through, just all storage, so kind of hard to get an idea of things through here, but come here and you got kitchen. There's an outdoor area, and definitely need some work in through here. And then another bathroom over here. And more masses of boxes. So a lot to do. 50 to 70 depending on how you do it, if you had a garage and all that stuff.